That's very frustrating. I can relate with you guys. I know it's very annoying. In this video, I'll try to help you fix this problem, and I'm just gonna show you what I've done to fix this problem. Now, I can't guarantee this will work for you, but make sure you watch this video till the very end and you try all the methods that I'll show you in this video. And yes, it's annoying, it's frustrating, but yes, disclaimer, I can't guarantee this will work, but I hope it will work for you. It's because you just want to have some fun, play this game, and it's kind of annoying when it doesn't work. So make sure you guys subscribe if you're new to my YouTube channel. Really help a lot this my YouTube channel. And now let's jump right into the video. So what I did to fix this problem is to first of all just lower all the graphics in Cyberpunk. There's no question about it. Like, I'm not even going to, like, I've just told you right away, that's something surely you have to, that's something that's, you can't question it. You can't expect to run high graphics and then expect not to lag or not to crash, because partially that's the reason why it's crashing and it's freezing, because of the high graphics. Now, if you have a super high $5,000 million computer, then you aren't gonna have a problem, but I don't have a powerful computer. I have a laptop and yeah, and whatever, but yes. Now, first method, first of all, install these updates, these drivers. First driver, this one, install Microsoft Visual C++, plus install the download DirectX end user runtime. Download this as well. I'll leave the links of this website that I have right here in the description of this video. Also, head over to NVIDIA and install this automatically update your drivers. And if you have AMD CPU, make sure you download this as well. But if that didn't work and you still have the problem, I expect you still have the problem, because you should do this if you haven't done this. Go to graphics. No, I can't write. Okay, that's beauty. Here, graphics. Go to search list and look here for Cyberpunk. If you can't find Cyberpunk, locate Cyberpunk right over here. Make sure you click on browse and just add the game to your list. And then make sure you go to high performance, and here you go to option and you select here high performance. Okay, this GPU is causing a lot of problems to my laptop, and it's kind of annoying. But if I were to change this, but if I were to change this to let Windows decide, I'm telling you, this is gonna cause 100% problems and the game's not going to work. So make sure you select high performance. And now the next step, also make sure you update your Windows. But not only update your Windows, I also have a trick. Go to advanced options, go to advanced options, go to optional updates, and then here in optional updates we have driver updates. Make sure you click on the driver updates. Make sure you check all the updates here. Not all the updates that are not related to Windows and problems and like Logitech. That's why I'm not updating these drivers. I don't see any reason. But when I bought this laptop, they were like 30, 40 updates here. I exaggerate, 40 now, but 25, around 25, okay? So make sure you click on download and install, okay? And I hope it's gonna work. And also make sure you close all the apps that are running in the background. If you have apps and you have apps running in the background, please, for the love of God, please close all the apps. You don't need apps running in the background when your main focus is to play Cyberpunk. Why would you have Chrome or I don't know, like some editing apps or Discord open when you're just trying to have some fun, guys. Play the game like you're not. You don't you don't let you don't let it work. You don't let this game to work by just leaving a lot of apps running in the background. So make sure you're doing that. I know I'm repeating myself, but make sure you're doing that. And that's the end of this video. I hope this video helped you. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. I'll really appreciate it. And please let me know in the comment section. Okay, don't forget if this worked. I'll really appreciate it. Like, I want to know if this worked for you, because I do care. I want you happy, guys. I want you play the game happily without anything else, bothering you. Okay, so take care.